One of the many examples of ruination and decay that appear on the Connecticut College campus is located in the Arboretum. There's a small hut called Buck Lodge that's used mainly as an outdoor classroom, but student groups make their way down there as well, such as the Outdoor Club. To get there, you have to head to the Arboretum, walk down the center hill that's covered in grass, and there's going to be a pond in front of you at the bottom of the hill. If you follow that path, you'll make your way to the edge of the forest where another short hill will take you to Buck Lodge. Our actual object of decay is a small, rarely used door that's on the back side of the lodge. Now, even though only part of the object is affected by ruination, there's still nevertheless decay.
Site formation processes are significant to archaeological research because they basically create the historic and archaeological records. They're really helpful in inferring past environmental conditions and provide insight into past behaviors and survival in different cultures. They basically determine what decays, what is preserved, and they're responsible for collapses of different structures and the recovery of sediments. There's two different kinds of site formation processes. There's cultural and non-cultural. Cultural has to do with human behavior and the effect of human behavior on the site, and non-cultural has to do with the environment and the effect of the environment on the site. The agents of transformation acting on the door are biological and physical. The biological agents are the termites and the beetles that come in, they nest, reproduce, which makes the structural integrity of the door compromised. The physical agents acting on the door are the events of the wetting and drying of the wood. Basically, the rainwater is absorbed by the wood and then it's dried by the sunlight. And this flip-flop between a wet and dry environment basically just causes the door to decay faster. It breaks up the materials in the door and creates more ruination.
So after 10 years, the door will continue to get worse and worse. Moisture will affect the integrity of the door, and termites will continue to eat away at the wood. After 100 years, the door will almost look unrecognizable, especially if no one has fixed the door up until this point. And finally, after 1,000 years, we don't think that the door will be there anymore. The termites and other physical and biological factors will have simply eaten away the door, and it won't be there anymore.